called poison ball. You can't dodge this ball here that's bouncing along just in front of me, right here. See? It's bouncing. So I'll just pick it up and show you. See, I just grab the ball, any type of ball, just put it in the trampoline, bounce, and you have to try and dodge it. And if it touches your skin, you're out. See, I just accidentally touched it, so I'm out now. And it's one or more players. You can play it by yourself. It's pretty easy. What do you think of the game, Toa? Well, everyone who's standing here. Pretty cool. And there's a lot of different dodges. Because I'm showing a lot of different dodges. Here's one type of oh, not meaning to fall over there. And that's a dodge. And tricking the ball. Well, it's not more than just tricking the ball. That's tricking the ball. And to dodge as well, cat. When you're in cat, it can touch you as many times as possible, and the pretend the ball has a mind. And it keeps getting switched if I pretend to go to a cat, because cats just go up and down in the same spot, like that. But that's what you can do. Dodge it. Pretty cool, huh? And it's going pretty well.